Hello students, myself Dharmendra Solanki working as Assistant Professor in Mining Engineering Department of Raj Engineering College Jodhpur. Today we will discuss on topic mine supports under subject Strata Control for the BTech 4th SEM Mining Engineering students. In this lecture we will discuss on these following points. Why do we use supports in the mines? When do we need to supports in the mines? How do we use supports in the mines? Type of mine supports. Advantages of mine supports, disadvantages of mine supports, other uncommon types of mine supports. Why do we use supports in the mines? Means what is the necessity of supports to use in the mine? First, keeping mines and miners safe, safety factor. Means from the safety point of view to keep mines and workers safe. Second, ensure continuity of ore production to avoid shortage in profit. Means ensuring production continuously without any hurdle and to make profit continuously from the mines, so we need to supports in the mines. Finally, keeping expensive machines in the underground mines safe, example machines used in long wall mines. Means as we know, mining machinery are very costly, ranging from 1000 to crore rupees, so for keeping machinery safe we need to supports in mines. When do we need to supports in the mines? Means what are the circumstances arises when we need to supports in the mines? First, if there are weak and unconsolidated parts of the rocks are present in the roof and walls of the mines, then we require supports for stability of roof and walls. If there are some geological structure like shear zone present which weaken the rocks, then we need to support the rocks in the mines. If there are some void spacing joints are present in the rocks, then we also need to support the rocks in the mines. Next, if there are some clay beds that can shrink and expand due to its swelling property and hence sliding of rocks in presence of water can be expected. Means if there are some clay beds present in the rocks, due to their swelling property they can shrink and expand, and in presence of water rocks can be slide easily. In that situation we need to supports in the mines. Next, if there are underground water that helps in chemical weathering leading to loose rocks and corrosion of machines. Means if underground water present in the mines which causes the chemical weathering of the rocks and corrosion of machine, in that case we need to support in mines. So there are some parameters which decide to need to support in the mines. How do we use supports in the mines? Basically it is the job of mining engineer, but with the consultation with the mining geologist. As we know, mining geologists have very deep knowledge of rocks and other geological structure. This knowledge is very useful for mining engineer when designing the supports in the mines. There are 6 types of mine support. First, wooden lock support. Second, support using metal rods. Third, support using metal pins or roof poles. Fourth, support using metal fence net. Fifth, concrete support and using brick walls. Sixth, resin support. First type of mine supports are wooden lock supports. In this picture we can see that roof of a mine gallery are supported by using wooden supports like this. In next picture, roof and walls are supported by using wooden support. It is linear sketch diagram which shows roof and walls are supported by using wooden props. It is actual picture where roof and walls of a gallery are supported by using wooden props. In this figure, side walls are supported by using wooden props. There are some parameters which should be considered while using wooden types of support. These are: wood lock trunk should be straight and about 4 to 6 meter long. Second, evergreen trees are recommended, example pine trees, because these are not easily wear and tear. Third, iron wedges must be used to fix the wooden locks. There are some advantages and disadvantages of wooden lock support. Advantages are: cheap even when it is imported from abroad. Second, can be cut to the desired length. Third, give early warning when it swallows. Disadvantages of wooden type supports are: Wood trunk cannot be reused in other mines. If wood swallows another type of mines, support should be applied. Wood must be coated to avoid corrosion by mine water, insect, bacteria, etc. Second type of supports are supports using metal rods. Simply, it is a metal rod consists of two cylinders of different diameter. Length can be controlled by using pins and moving upward and downward direction. There are some advantages and disadvantages of metal rod supports. Advantages are rods can be easily reused. Again, example in other mines, length and height can be easily controlled, gives high support capacity. There are some disadvantages of metal rod support. These are expensive, does not give early warning like wood trunks, moisture and mine water can cause corrosion of metal. Third types of support are support using metal pins or roof bolts. These are generally two types, belt types or standard types. There are some parameters for using roof bolts. These are usually used for ceiling only. 1 to 1.5 meter holes is needed with 1.4 cm diameter. Bolts and pins must have ribs for good support. There are some advantages and disadvantages of support using metal pins or roof bolts. Advantages are necessary for ceiling that have weak fractures in hard rocks. Second, high support capacity. Disadvantages of roof bolts are expensive, not suitable for soft rock, moisture and mine water can cause corrosion of metal. Four types of supports are support using metal fence net, usually used for ceiling only, especially in case of rock fall. Metal pins are needed to fix the metal fence, can be used for wall also but if clay beds are missed. There are some advantages and disadvantages of metal fence support net. Advantages are necessary for ceiling that have weak fractures in hard rock, gives early warning in case of mine collapse, collect falling rocks, reasonable support capacity. Disadvantages of using nets are expensive, not suitable for soft rocks, moisture and mine water can cause corrosion of metal. Fifth type of supports are concrete support and using brick wall. In these brick walls are built for supporting the side walls. These types of supports are usually used for walls with clay beds or when the bedrock is friable and brittle. Concrete can bear more stress than bricks. Sixth type of supports are resin supports. In resin supports, sliding arch canopy is used like this. Usually, resin supports are used for friable and porous ceiling and walls, and organic stuff polymers is used for injection. There are some advantages and disadvantages of resin support. Advantages are ideal for friable and porous bedrocks, injection is an easy job and not environmentally harmful. Disadvantages are relatively expensive. Other uncommon types of mine supports are metal bars and plates. In this figure, whole gallery is supported by using metal bars and plates. Thank you everyone.